Thanks for joining us today as we check out this amazing 2017 Thor Outlaw. It's floor plan 29H and it's a Class C toy hauler. You're gonna love all the options this one has. It's got a really cool bonus room, it's got a ramp and a deck in the back, and it sleeps up to 6. So let's check it out. The first thing you're gonna notice is this really cool fiberglass nose cap. The Outlaw, Thor is known for this, so you don't have any leaking or shaking when you're driving down the road. This also has that awesome Ford E450 6.8 liter Triton V10 engine, so tons of power. And then as we come over to the side, you'll notice you've got those awesome running boards to assist you in the front driver and passenger side. There's that power slide that expands your living area, which is fantastic. And you've got that awesome slide to protect it. You've also got those really cool windows that will open. They're frameless windows, really nice tinted windows. And under here, you'll notice you've got your Awning QG 4000 gas generator. You've also got your drains for your black water. And this does have a freshwater capability of 40 gallons, 32 gallons gray, 31 gallons black water. So tons of capacity for your water tanks. And you've also got that awesome city water connection right there, as well as your hot and cold exterior shower, which is really nice if you want to take a shower outside. There's some power outlets right there. This has a 55-gallon fuel tank. And there's your shore power connection. You've also got that Xantrex inverter, so that will power your TVs, which is really nice because this thing comes with several TVs. And then look at that, you've got a nice deck in the back here. It's a 7 by 6 foot deck. It's also got that ramp. The ramp has a 10 to 12 person capacity, and it's also got that rugged deck. So if you're putting your toys up there, you're not gonna have spinning wheels and all that stuff. And you'll notice that's also the bonus room, so it doubles as a sleeping area too, which is really cool. We'll check that out in a little bit. Okay, so on this side, you're gonna have your power awning. You've also got that frameless window again, and you've got lots of storage over here, which is really nice. You can put those larger things out of the way. It's a plastic container, so you're not gonna get any of that rust or any of that stuff. And you'll notice you've got your speakers, your TV out here, and all your outlets. And you've also got that power awning with those LED lights, which really just makes the outdoors so much funner. There's some power outlets right there. And there's another little storage area right there. You've also got an 8,000-pound tow hitch on this awesome Class C RV. Now the great thing about this door is it's nice and stiff and sturdy. Look how big and stiff that is. No steps because it's all built in, so you're not having to deal with powered steps that break in a year, which is really awesome. You got that screened-in door. So let's check out the inside. Isn't that so nice? And then as you head inside to the cab area, you've got these really cozy captain seats with these awesome armrests. It's like a vinyl, and it's in really good condition. You've also got those massive windows so you can see exactly what's going on. They are power windows, or power mirrors, excuse me. And then as we head over, you've got your cruise control up here, right there with your cluster controls. And as we head over to your exit Sarah Media Center. You've got your CD input right there. And you've also got that Bluetooth capability. You've got USB port right there. So lots of different options for you. And then you've also got that backup camera so you can see exactly what's going on behind you. There's Mackenzie taking some pictures. So cute. And then as we head down, you've got your heating and cooling right there. Over here, you've got some charging ports, an HDMI port, cup holders, and then an area right there. So let's go check out the good parts. All right, so check this out. You've got this huge queen size bed over the cab, and you've got that awesome electric fan. The other thing I love about this is you've got this 40-inch TV on a swivel. You've got that ducted AC, so you're gonna have really even air throughout. And there's that little ladder that you can use to access the cab area. And look at this super cozy dinette area. This is a sleeper sofa, so you could sleep another 2 people here, but it also doubles as a dinette. So really, really nice and comfy. And then it also has these over cab cabinets. Really nice, like they do in the airlines. You've got your Bluetooth speakers, your LED lights right here, and these really nice windows that will open up with those awesome blinds. And then on this side, you do have that Norcold refrigerator freezer. This is run on propane, and it's in excellent condition. Really, really nice. Lots of room. And then you also have a cabinet right here. And then over here, you've got another cabinet with some charging ports. There's your DVD player. You've also got this really nice pull-out pantry for all your canned goods. So really nice to have a separate space for that. And then, like I said, there's your rooftop AC. So here's your monitor systems. So you've got access. The great thing about this is it comes with auto leveling. So you press a button and it levels for you. So you don't have to stress about that. And here's your control panel for your water pump. It's got tank heaters. There's your slide. Right here, you've got your water heater. There's your AC unit, your remote control. And then over here, you've got your nice kitchen. It's really a nice sized kitchen. I love the stainless steel double sink right here. You've got a window. And the other cool thing about this is you have this awesome charging ports for all your power outlets. So no stress about not having enough power outlets. So important. And then you also have more cabinets right here. And then right here you have your amazing convection microwave oven. And you've got a 3-burner cooktop. So nice. I love this countertop too. You've also got lots of drawers, nice deep drawers. And then you have a spot here for your trash can or whatever. It's really nice as well. And then you have another cabinet right here. Thanks, Chelsea. I almost forgot this one. With more drawers. So nice. And then look at how big this bathroom door is. This is going to give you an idea of how nice the size is in this bathroom, because you don't see this a lot in Class C's. Look how big that shower is. That's almost a residential sized shower. You've got your nice, skylight. And you got your electric fan. You've also got that really nice porcelain pedal flush toilet. Look how much space you have on your countertops too. Got a big, huge medicine cabinet, mirrored medicine cabinet. And then you have another drawer down here. These are really nice raised panel cabinets as well. Lots of lights, and that fan, of course, is super important. And then as we head back, you do have a mirrored wardrobe. Look how deep that is. That's amazing. You can put all kinds of stuff in there, your blankets, everything. And then you have, again, more drawer space for your unmentionables, right? And then over here, another double mirrored wardrobe. So his and hers, if you will. His and hers, his and hers, hers and his, hers and hers. Look how deep that one is. Okay, and then back here, you've got your bonus room. Oh, look at that massive size room. Can you just imagine sleeping in here? This is just such a fun room. You've got this really nice bug shield, so you can easily back this up to the lake or the river and really enjoy the great outdoors. You've got your TV over there, and you've got lots of windows. And back here, you've also got this AC unit back here. What's this? Ooh, we got a little workstation here. And you'll notice you've got that stainless steel all around, so if you do park your toys back here, you don't have to worry about banging up the walls. You've got more covered space up here. And Bluetooth speakers right there, LED lights, power outlets. Now this is 2 sofas, so you can convert this back into so you can convert this back into 2 more sofas. You can use it as a sleeping area, and I believe there's also a pedestal table that you can pop in as well. You've also got your electric lamp up there, your LED lights, and like I said, you do have these this bug curtain, so no worries about the bugs getting in. And then you have this awesome deck, so you can enjoy your coffee in the morning and just kind of chill out. You got your dog bowl, your fur baby's bowl. Now this also converts into a ramp, so you can use it to bring in your motorcycles, your ATVs, whatever you like. So if you're in the market for a Class C RV, you really need all that space for all your toys, all the sleeping area, a super cozy, entertaining area. Check this one out on our website at WowWoodys.com, or just come visit us on our 15-acre mega lot where we have nearly 1,000 vehicles and RVs. And you can see all of our RVs for sale just by going to rvbuying.com. I'm Sonia, until next time. Wow.